Hi there and welcome to lesson 2 of 11 plus maths. Let me show you this first question just to get you warmed up and started. So in this case, let's read the question together. Wendy wrote down the number that is 10,000 greater than 300,198. What number did Wendy write down? Choose the correct answer. So for this question, you can do some working out by all means. And let's just do the working out very quickly. So we have the main number, which is 300,198. We're just going to add 10,000 onto this. Let's just add this together. So 8 add 0 is 8, 9 add 0 is 9, 1 add 0 is 1. Then we have 0, 1, and 3. So the answer comes to 310,198. So in this case, I would go for option number C as the correct answer. But the rest of this test has a mixture of word problem questions along with some graphs to analyze as well. Make sure you read the question at least 2 to 3 times and do some working out before you attempt to answer the question. And good luck with this, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you.